This is the Ayazita 3-tier rolling cart with 4 woven baskets. Now, I bought this in the brown color, kind of like a beige or like a tan with a slight hint of pink. Looks very nice, nice natural tone, but they do have a couple other colors as well, including black and white. But anyway, when you first get this, it comes packaged up in this box. And pulling all those pieces out, here's everything that comes with it. Not a lot of pieces here. Looks like it should be super easy. Here's a look at the hardware as well. Again, not a lot of different pieces. So let me go ahead and put this thing together. And there we go. Took me a little over 8 minutes to put this together, and I really like the way it came out. There's a nice solid metal frame made up of these 2 different sections here, kind of bolted together right there. And then it also has some metal baskets. And then down at the bottom here, it has these 360-degree casters. Makes it very easy to roll this around. These 2 are locking, and then the 2 on the other side are just free rolling casters. And then down at the bottom here, it has these 4 casters on it, just these 360-degree swivel casters. These 2 have locks on them, and then the 2 on the other side do not. And it rolls around pretty nicely, easy to roll and maneuver around, works pretty well. It has some decent storage space in it as well. There's of course these 3 shelves here with the 4 woven baskets. Nice thick baskets, they feel pretty sturdy. Of course they do have some folds in them because they came flat packaged, but you know, use a steamer on these and they'll flatten out a bit. Or you know, just put some items in here to help them hold their shape a little better. But anyway, like I said, there's 4 of these. They have some nice handles on the sides here, and they nicely fit into the 2 bottom shelves on this cart. But pulling those out and taking a look at these shelves, they're basically all the same, just get smaller as they go up. And all they are is a metal frame around the perimeter, and then this welded wire in the center. And you can also see how they're held on here, just these 2 screws on each side with cap nuts on the insides holding them on. Works pretty well, you know, solid enough. Overall, the cart does feel pretty sturdy. Not something I really want to fill up with like 200 pounds of stuff, but you know, like 100 pounds of stuff, maybe 50 pounds on each shelf, and I think you'd be just fine. Anyway, some more options for storage. There are these 4 hooks here, just some simple plastic hooks. You can hook these onto the fronts or the back or the sides. Just some very simple hooks, lets you hang up maybe some different cleaning tools, utensils, or some bags. And then there's also these other plastic holders, just these small baskets here, and there's a total of 3 of these, and again, you can hook them onto the fronts or the sides. Overall, very cute little cart, very easy to assemble, fairly sturdy as well. I like how it comes with the removable baskets, that is nice. And I think this would make a pretty cool snack cart, fill it up with all your sweet treats, maybe a cleaning cart, you know, you could fill this up with a bunch of different cleaning tools. It'd work pretty well for that since you can easily wheel it around. Maybe some kind of pantry organizer cart, or even as a cart to hold some different craft supplies. Either way, I think it's a pretty cool cart. It looks very nice, and it's fairly sturdy as well.